Wednesday, again, still progressive, contact still happening to 6661 for the scalp premium. Calendar 27 January 2021. Contact say from International Millennium to 6661 for the scalp premium. Alien family confirmed also about fund for project 6661 for the scalp premium. Self-ownership and one contact connection for committee or official to 6661 for the scalp premium. Alien family international contact status owner of 6661 for the scalp premium as project and also about phone for progress contact connection official 6661 for the scalp premium friendship. Alien family status self committee basically this contact say that by this moment random contact telecommunication peoples international millennium contact alien family through also for entry 6661 for the scalp premium. On this moment contact 6661 for the scalp premium. Residence domicile town Medan, North Sumatra province, Indonesia country. International say suspect definitive on probability also from domicile town Medan or about country Indonesia on this millennium. Union case by 6661 for the scalp premium. Status 6661 for the scalp premium also as the goal of case by suspect each other. Their own condition as syndicate on social. Let's context say that 6661 for the scalp premium given by contact telecommunication on this moment calendar also from international millennium. Residence alibi of their address also on town Medan. Residence address of 6661 for the scalp premium. Names of them also on this moment calendar. Contact 6661 for the scalp premium. For supporting 6661 for the scalp premium and about contact alien family millennium. About status alien as a phone actually for realization project or committee connection friendship 6661 for the scalp premium. Foundation or about project realization. Contact 6661 for the scalp premium on this moment calendar. Also about internet global as pointer project 6661 for the scalp premium. By contact also alien family global on this day about ownership internet global or appointment about ethernet also. Context say internet global actually basically need for maintains membership register or about payment for pay-me actually. Because also progress of market Android also context say also about APK or about e-commerce also. Contact about alien file international need to be maintained and contact also friendship alien or about internet global friendship for enterprise project about internet global. Include on this moment millennium about 6661 for the scalp premium as appointment internet global, alien family ownership project and appointment, and also about cell phone for realization project by alien family as premier. Context says 6661 for the scalp premium on authentic basic reject ownership, about case supernatural or renowned by international since 2008, about also connection case in alibi also, and relation chronology case by case to 6661 discovery about supernatural phenomena case claim internet ID 6661 discovery about parents legacy of Irwan Cornell also, and about social on latent activity, supernatural by human commanding goods, or about costumes ethnic local from their domicile address. Context says 6661 police discovery on potential for a continued reject reward, or about appointment alien family actually. Experience telecommunication on this moment calendar include alibi saying they own trust and definitive want continue for his experience to 6661 discovery. About telecommunication, about contact body also, basic about supernatural phenomena on situation condition, suspect activity on this day. So domicile resident 6661 discovery meaning also about local peoples and their connection also, friendship by them on internet global also social media Asia, and also about issue internet global of friendship with connection Indonesia, or about local peoples from Indonesia. Contact about ID also Yehoha, or name about Yehoha, and also about local domicile address Yehoha. Contact issue about country Indonesia also, or Asia as another conspiration for ID and noun religions or local, or about name Yehoha on this millennium. 6661 discovery meaning definitive on situation, supernatural phenomena, experience telecommunication and contact body, peoples on these years 2021. Since 2008 until 2021, these years, phenomena supernatural still going on, and 6661 discovery meaning definitive approved by international, authentic claim internet, and also about the project or appointment alien family also. Contact already happened, alien family international about 6661 discovery meaning about name alien Tate also, address domicile United States of America also on this moment calendar. Contact about the project 6661 discovery meaning on this moment recording, basically for reminding about internet as project for friendship and also on payment actually. Contact alien family and friendship on this millennium 6661 discovery meaning also need to be recognized internet global as a pointer project on this millennium actually to Android also, and about appointment ownership money or reclaim asset alien family on this millennium. Conversation since years before 6661 discovery meaning also about also pointer application and also about Ethernet and another such also hardware and name enterprise for project title internet actually, and already agree for recognizing existence internet ID 666 by 6661 discovery. Reject internet global futuristic on payment or premium for membership and also maintenance for the continue enterprise for the payment or about money to alien family global also. Appointment about internet digital money. Base context say also about that. Allen family ownership self money logo symbol money to 666 as a relation project also for internet global as tools or futuristic equipment need to be paid or premium for membership. Context say 6661 scarf remaining definitive potential and very include for project internet global actually about internet global futuristic about enterprise also internet global need for premium actually continue project about also APK and also about Android and application. Context say People's International or renowned about 6661 for this company as project want to be involved about Allen family appointment digital money on this future millennium. Allen family international based context say actually status relation to internet global about APK also and also another internet global status owner or enterprise also to Allen family need to be confirmation also international about the contact or chronology case by claim particular condition ID internet 6661 for this company. Context also Allen Fund International already get connected to internet ID 6661 for this company about the internet as pointer of project. Digital money as code appointment Allen family about existence self money logo also self national bank and also about internet banking futuristic by appointment or project realization project trust Allen family self. Allen family ownership self money logo conversation continue through this moment millennium 2000 and 2021. Money logo 666 internet code digital money. Allen family ownership self national bank and particular international to countries self ambassador by pioneering 6661 for the scarf remaining on this millennium. Struggle case supernatural could suspect human commanding goods from grave and also about existence Allen family self national money logo self country self national bank among human countries to future money symbol to 666. Context here Allen family international already get connected to peoples about confirmation status on self phone or ability capable for realization project as self committee self officials sponsor about also connection project peoples to 6661 for this company. Allen family status actually owner of 6661 for this company need to be confirmed also because this moment appointment include for Centurion, Allen Family Coalition International, Allen Family Self Society want continue existence or status as national among human countries on self money logo, self bank, national banking among human among countries, national Ethereum galaxies. Numbering conceivable include for that status ambassador Allen Family Global pointer to future about Allen Family Friendship Human. Context says 6661 for discovery meaning for particular precondition on this moment years 2008 until this years also 2020 actually need to be sustainable for the recording and perfecting speech and confirmation is not to be worried because international contact Allen family will maintain for the continued particular and appointment. 6661 for scarf remaining definitive status to 666 Centurion already known by peoples and also Allen family on this millennium as appointment for internet futuristic digital money, about Ellen family ownership self-money logo, and also about internet as enterprise for maintenance. Contact Ellen and Enterprise Internet International. Payment and premium need to be recognized also, reminding for this moment 2021 also, because also appointment or pointer internet ID 6661 for Discovery already cleared by international, and also we get connected to Ellen family Millennium for project include about internet global or also about Ethernet. Ellen family ownership appointment and continue conversation about internet and also digital money since years before 6661 for Discovery through United States of America, through Alien Tate also, and through Alien Morgan Angel, and through Uni Europa as Ellen Family Stars also foundation of Uni Europa and countries there, including also British England and another. Through also Arabic Israel, national UFO residents and contact confirmation religions on this millennium also. About 6661 for Discovery actually relation chronology continue conversation alien friendship human since years before 2008 before a reform of 6661 for Discovery. Protection 6661 for Discovery definitive support by people's friendship trust on this moment day after day 2020 2021 about also phone or donation or about gain or reward to name in one corner also basic about status definitive proof as victim of situation supernatural phenomena suspect activity by human conspiration on local or social also and friendship unknown peoples or unknown domicile because this moment also supernatural phenomena experience. And about pioneering case also by 6661 for Discovery heroic and independence self-ordinary experience since 2008, and also about status 6661 for Discovery or name in one corner as the goal of case by suspect about the case by case following basic also internet claim 6661 for Discovery starts black gold of suspect about the case of supernatural phenomena, and also about ordinary job of name one corner being sabotaged by unknown peoples or actually their status as suspect on this moment investigation case, and also about name one corner finance legacy, and also about money and intellectual personnel, and also about human right, and also about another personality, privacy, economic self, managerial, and friendship and trust and credibility, and another. 6661 for Discovery definitively get approved by peoples on this moment experience international telecommunication phenomena supernatural happening. 6661 for Discovery name in one corner on reward or gain for the situation to future, and also by option project for realization by Ellen Family International contact status officials consult cell phone and also connection project realization on international. 6661 for Discovery want to say thank you very much to International Millennium. Can be found through internet global social media such also Bigo also for the newcomers on this day, and also social media and others such also YouTube and Facebook and Google and Pinterest and also Twitter, and for the free website to Blogspot and WordPress, and also Bigo 6661 for Discovery the 6-day guy was human. Ellen family contact status owner of the 2666 century. Ellen family one appointment for the 2666 on this millennium by 6661 for Discovery for status Ellen family as national country money logo exist among human countries to future by this millennium. 6661 ko scar for meeting on. Let's say thank you very much international. See you again on my next internet.